Now this is a fantastic Defender, and it's down to the spec. It's a 2022 Defender 110 D250 3-litre diesel, X-Dynamic. So the X-Dynamic gives you all that great styling, all the bumpers colour-coded in black, full black exterior styling package. It's an SE, so you've got Meridian sound system, memory seats, but the big thing about this car is it's a 6-seater. So it's got 3 seats in the front, it's got the jump seat as an optional extra, and then it's got 3 seats in the back. It's covered 2,500 miles. It was registered the start of 2022, so you've got warranty till the 2025. On top of that, it's got the large 11.4-inch screen. It's got clear sight camera. It's got sliding panoramic sunroof. It's got massive specification. It'll sell instantly because somebody will want the extra seat, is so desirable. Also Santorini black, most desirable colour. It's just a great car. So the X-Dynamic gives you all this black styling. So if you see all under here, all round the arches, it's all colour-coded in gloss black. You've got adaptive LED headlights. Wheels finished in off black, they're more like an anthracite grey colour. 20-inch wheels. You've then got fixed side steps, which is an option. Roof rails, privacy glass. It's got an electric deployable towbar as well, which again is a very, very expensive option. And it's the 110, so it's got bags of space, loads of space in the back. You've got them exposed towing eyes on the back. Full-size spare wheel. Look at the boot space on a 110. So you've got massive boot, them seats drop down, and then you've got these extra buttons here. So this one here is air suspension, so you can drop the car down. And then that's the big one. Press the button. Electric deployable tow bar. I can't tell you how many people, when I'm selling Defenders, are asking us to try and get tow bars fitted. So expensive, probably cost you £3,000 to get an electric tow bar fitted after the original build. Moving on inside, this is the big selling point with this car. So the car's keyless entry, but then look at it. Look, so you've got ambient lighting, you've got Meridian sound, you've got memory seats, but look at the 3 seats in the front. The centre seat's not huge, but it's there, it's great. You can drop that down and have, I'll show you all the cup holders and everything instead, but that makes this car very, very desirable. I remember the last time I was in a Defender with 2 seats in the front, and I've got 2 kids, and they wanted to be in the front. I think it just makes it really desirable. Inside, you can see on the doors and along the dash, if I start the cab, you can see the ambient lighting package, which is running throughout, which is really nice. We've got a heated steering wheel, which is another fantastic option. You've got clear sight camera there, so we've got the extra camera, and then if I move down to this larger screen, you've got full surround, top view, and 3D camera system. Again, more extras. Sliding sunroof, key feature on this car. You've then got all the standard features. So if I show you, you've got digital dials in front, you've got automatic lights, automatic wipers. If I go into here, you've got all your heated seats, you've got all your wireless CarPlay, multimedia, navigation, all the things you would expect. On here, you've got your air suspension to operate it up and down as well. Heated screens, all your USB charging points. The car's covered 2,893 miles. It is stunning. Show you in the back. Oh, actually, before we go, come here. I'll just show you, if you want to drop the jump seat down, we drop that down like this. And then you've got cup holders, so if you don't need to use the seat, you've got an armrest, you've got cup holders, you've got little charging points here as well. And then in the back, look at the space, bags of room in the rear. All the ambient lighting runs throughout the rear as well. All original Land Rover mats. So the car has got unbelievable spec. Jump seat, 110, electric deployable tow bar, D250, 3-litre diesel, Santorini black, priced on the money to sell today. If you want to call me direct, you can. The car will sell instantly. Thank you for watching.